We're going to talk about a striking report published by NASA and the U.S. government. Is Earth defenseless against a potential asteroid impact, even if warned 14 years in advance? Let's dive into this topic and examine similar threats we've faced throughout history, along with insights from famous scientists. Approximately 66 million years ago, an asteroid impact wiped out the dinosaurs. This event caused one of the largest mass extinctions in Earth's history, changing our planet's ecosystem forever. Could humanity face a similar threat today? Simulations conducted by NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office indicate that we are utterly defenseless against such a collision. Renowned astrophysicist Carl Sagan once said, "The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, seems like an awful waste of space," perhaps foreshadowing these kinds of risks. According to the report, Earth lacks the rapid deployment capabilities for the necessary space missions to defend against a catastrophic asteroid impact, even with 14 years' notice. Looking back at history, it's worth recalling the groundbreaking efforts of the scientific community. In the mid-20th century, the start of the space race, marked by the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik 1, showcased humanity's potential in space exploration. However, this report highlights that there are still many unknowns and a lack of preparedness. Despite no significant asteroid impact threats in the foreseeable future, biennial exercises assess top experts' preparedness for such an impact. The report states, "The decision-making process regarding space missions in an asteroid threat scenario remains uncertain." This echoes the frequent emphasis of physicist Michio Kaku on the importance of global cooperation and coordination. During the exercise, experts evaluated possible national and global responses to a hypothetical scenario where a previously undetected asteroid had a 72% chance of striking Earth in about 14 years. The asteroid sizes ranged from 60 to 800 meters, with the most likely size being between 100 and 320 meters. The potential impacts of such an asteroid are terrifying. The probabilities include a 45% chance of impacting no one, a 47% chance of affecting over 1,000 people, a 28% chance of impacting over 100,000 people, an 8% chance of affecting over 1,000,000 people, and a 0.04% chance of impacting over 10 million people. The report outlines the challenges of executing a space mission over a 14-year period. Factors like political leadership changes, personnel rotations, and continuously evolving global events can affect the mission. In this context, NASA's DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test mission, is seen as a significant step forward. However, the lack of clearly defined international cooperation processes can complicate decision-making. As famed scientist Stephen Hawking said, "Humanity's survival depends on our ability to leave Earth and colonize other planets." Space has always been a source of fascination and fear for humanity. From science fiction movies and books to TV series and documentaries, space is often depicted as the realm of the unknown and the unexplored. The reality, however, is that space harbors many threats and mysteries. Asteroids are among the foremost of these threats. An asteroid impact on Earth could cause massive destruction. Such events are not just the stuff of science fiction, but scientific facts. The mass extinctions in Earth's past show how devastating such impacts can be. Beyond the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs, many significant impact events have occurred in Earth's history. The Tunguska event in 1908, which flattened approximately 2,000 square kilometers of forest in Siberia, was likely caused by an asteroid exploding in the atmosphere. This event is one of the largest recorded impact events in human history and highlights the potential devastation these events can cause. In modern times, space agencies and scientists have ramped up efforts to prepare for such threats. NASA's DART mission is part of these efforts. The DART mission aims to test the ability to change an asteroid's trajectory to prevent a potential collision. These missions are designed to enhance humanity's defensive capabilities against future threats. However, International cooperation and coordination are crucial for the success of such missions. Preventing an asteroid impact is not just a responsibility of one nation, but a global effort. Renowned scientists have frequently shared their views on space and asteroids. Carl Sagan highlighted the vastness of space and the smallness of humanity within it, emphasizing the importance of being prepared for such threats. Michio Kaku has stressed that global cooperation and coordination are the most effective defenses against these threats. Stephen Hawking often spoke about the need for humanity to become an interplanetary species to increase our chances of survival. Let's frame this information within a story. Imagine it's the year 2035, and a massive asteroid is discovered hurtling toward Earth. This asteroid is 320 meters in diameter, with a 72% chance of impacting Earth. Scientists predict this collision will have devastating effects worldwide, threatening millions of lives. International space agencies urgently convene to address this threat. However, political leadership changes, bureaucratic obstacles, and a lack of international cooperation complicate the process. Inspired by NASA's DART mission, space agencies develop a series of plans to alter the asteroid's trajectory. Success requires perfect timing and flawless collaboration. The world watches in suspense as these efforts unfold. Scientists send a massive spacecraft to collide with the asteroid, aiming to change its path. The first attempts fail, and global panic ensues. However, the scientists persist, and finally, the second attempt succeeds in altering the asteroid's trajectory. Earth narrowly escapes a catastrophe, demonstrating once again what humanity can achieve through cooperation and determination. Although the likelihood of a large asteroid impacting Earth in the future is low, the exact number of asteroid resources is unknown, and some remain undetected. Therefore, being prepared at all times and advancing in science and technology is crucial. Remember, science always opens new doors for us and allows us to look to the future with hope. Share your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.